we have proportion. Let me copy our example. We have 3 plus z over z minus 2 is equal 20 over 4. How we can solve this proportion? First, when we have proportion, we always cross multiply numerator times denominator, denominator times numerator. But because on the right side we have 20 over 4, we can divide 20 by 4. So we will simplify the right side. Left we will copy. So we have 20 divided by 4 is 5. What next we can do? Because on the left side we have fraction, we can multiply both sides by denominator. So we have times z minus 2 and the left side times z minus 2. So now we can reduce denominator, and on the left side we have now 3 plus z is equal, and now we have to multiply every expression in parentheses by 5. 5 times z is 5z. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Now I will move 5z to the left side and 3 to the right. So we have z minus 5z. This is equal. We have negative 10 and 3 to the right, so it will be negative 3. Negative z minus 5z, so this is negative 4z. This is equal. Negative 10, negative 3, so this is negative 13. Now we need to find z, so I will divide both sides by negative 4. Negative 4 and negative 4 we can reduce, and we have that z is equal. Negative and negative give me positive 13 over 4. You can left like this, or you can change this improper fraction to mixed number. So it will be 3 and 1 over 4. This is my solution.